On average, 30% of commercial office space remains unoccupied during regular business hours. 25% of booked meeting rooms are left empty, highlighting inefficiency. Oops, wrong example. But seriously, the fact is organizations waste up to 25% of their real estate budgets on underutilized space, amounting to billions in lost capital each year. Poor space design can reduce employee productivity by up to 20%. Okay, this has to stop. Moving on. 73% of workers express a preference for flexible seating and on-demand room booking. Yet average office occupancy rates remain near 40%, creating a significant mismatch between space provision and user needs. What if you could reclaim 25% of your unused office space in 90 days? Space is more than square meters. It's productivity, cost savings, and growth. Welcome to Simplicity's digital workplace.